Hello everyone, welcoming you all to One Academy. As you all know, I am Anjali Chauhan and we are covering History MCQ series on our YouTube channel. So in this series, we will prepare for UPSC Civil Services exam, PCS Civil Services exam and also various other government exams too. So please must the full video, subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon too. As I already told you that Vani ma'am is covering the various GS courses on Unacademy Plus for UPSC Civil Services exam pre-com mains, and she has already started the foundation course on Indian polity from 15 June onwards. So don't waste your time, just take the subscription on Unacademy Plus by using this referral code, that is Vani Mehra. By using this referral code Vani Mehra, you will get 10% discount on your subscription. So don't waste your time, just take the subscription right now. Moving towards the series, today's topic is Neolithic sites part 2. As you all know that we already cover 10 questions of this topic in the previous video, right? So moving towards the question. First question, consider the following statements. First, pit house have been constructed to get protection from the cold temperatures. Second, in one of the burial site at Mehergarh, the dead person was buried with coats. Now select the correct answer using these codes. A, 1 only, that is first statement is correct. B, 2 only, that is second statement is correct. C, both the statements are correct. D, neither one and 2 both are incorrect here, right? So according to, try to answer the question. So the correct answer here is C, both 1 and 2. Let's see how. This is the information. At Burza home, people built pit houses which were dug into the ground. So first question arises that what are pit houses? Pit houses were the houses which were dug into the ground by the people to live in the we can say the drastic weather conditions or in the cold weather conditions. Okay, for the survival. We can say that ठंड से बचने के लिए. Okay, so this was the place that is Burza home where the people used to do this, did this. Okay, so these may have provided shelter in the cold weather, and several burial sites have been found at Mehergarh. In one instance, the dead person was buried with goats which were probably meant to serve as food in the next world. So in the Mehergarh, people used to bury the we can say the animals, food, and many other things for the people, for the person who got dead. Okay, so this mean to serve the as a food or serve as offerings for the people in the next world. Okay, so according to this, we can say that the correct answer here is C, that is both 1 and 2, right? C. So if we talk about the what source, then the source of this question is 41 page number of class 6 NCERT of history, right? So from there we can frame the question has been framed out. Moving towards the next question. Consider the following statements. Cooking huts are found at Mehergarh. In Neolithic age, tools were polished to give a fine cutting edge. Read the statements very carefully, okay? Now, you have to select the correct answer by using these codes. A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. So, try to answer the question. So, according to this, the correct answer here is B, 2 only, okay? B, 2 only. Let's see how. According to the first statement, it says cooking huts are found at Mehergarh. So firstly the question arises, what are cooking huts? Cooking huts we can say like kitchen. Okay, लोग खाना बनाने के लिए घर के अंदर भी खाना बनाते थे और घर के बाहर भी खाना बनाते थे, तो उससे हम cooking huts कहते थे, like kitchen we can say. Okay, so that was not the place cooking huts were found by the archaeologists at Burza home. Okay, so from here we can say that the first statement goes wrong. And if we talk about, let's see in the information also, here it is also mentioned that Burza home is the place where the archaeologists found the cooking huts, both inside and outside the huts, which suggests that depending on the weather, people could cook food either indoors or outdoors. And if we talk about Neolithic age, that is mentioned in the second statement, that in the Neolithic age, the Neolithic age is the Stone Age. Okay, Stone Age. And in the Stone Age, the tools were mostly of stones. And it is mentioned that the stone tools were polished and fine edge, have fine edge, okay, fine cutting edge. Then it is also shown in the picture. Look at the picture very carefully. जो भी ये टूल्स हैं बहुत ज़्यादा नुकीले हैं, शाइनी है, पॉलिश्ड है, तो यहाँ से हमें पता चलता है that the second statement goes correct, right? So the correct answer here is B option, 2 only. And if we talk about the source, then the source of this question is page number 44 of class 6 NCERT as well. Moving towards the next question. Question number 3, consider the following statement. First, Mehergarh is located in a fertile plain near the Bolan Pass, which is one of the most important routes into Iran. Second, pig is the most common animal generally kept by the people in Mehergarh. Select the correct answer using these codes. A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. Firstly, read the statements carefully and try to answer the question. So the correct answer here is A. Only one statement is correct here. Okay, let's see the information also. If we talk about Mehergarh, the Mehergarh is located in the Sindh region of Pakistan, right, nearby the Indus River. And if we talk about Bolan Pass, then you can see the Bolan Pass is located here at the Indian-Pakistan border. Okay, here is Bolan Pass. So we can say that Mehergarh is the place which is located near the Bolan Pass, which is a fertile plain also, that is mentioned in the NCERT book. Okay, and whatever it is written in the statement is correct. So the first statement goes correct from here. And if we talk about the second statement, then pig is the most common animal. No, the cattle is the most common animal that were kept by the people in Mehergarh. So the second statement goes incorrect, because in the second statement it is asking you about the pig. So it is incorrect here. So the first statement is correct here. Moving towards the next question. Okay, the source of this question number third. So the source of this question is page number 42 of class 6 NCERT as well. Moving towards the next question number 4. Consider the following statements. First, people at Mehergarh believe that there is some form of life after that. Second, Payampally and Halor are the places where millet was grown in Neolithic age. Millet is a kind of cereal. Okay. So you have to identify the correct answer by using these codes. A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 and 2. Try to answer the question. So the correct answer here is C, both 1 and 2. Let's see how. If we talk about what? First statement, that people at Mehergarh believe that there is some form of life after that. Then yes, because archaeologists found various burial sites only at Mehergarh. According to that, archaeologists said that the people were used to bury the various kind of, we can say, the animals, food, ornaments, clothes, and servants along with the people who died. Okay, why they do so? Why they did so? Because they pay respect to them. People look after them, perhaps in the belief that there is some form of life after death. Okay, So burial is one such arrangement made by the people of Mehergarh. So we can say that according to this information, the first statement goes correct here. And if we talk about second, Payampally and Halur are the places where millet was grown in Neolithic age. So we can say the Neolithic age is the what? Stone age, and the sites found in the Neolithic age were known as the Neolithic sites. As you can see in the map here in Tamil Nadu region, Hallur and Payampally were located in the Andhra Pradesh region. You can see here Hallur and Payampally, Andhra Pradesh region. So these were the places, these were the Neolithic sites which were found by the archaeologists, and the information was given in the NCERT that the millets were grown most commonly in these Neolithic site places. Okay. So according to this, both the statements are correct here, and the answer is C, both 1 and 2. So if we talk about the source of this question is page number 43, of class 6 NCERT as well. Moving towards next question. Question number 5, consider the following statements. First, the evidence of tools made from fossil wood found at Hallur, that is in Andhra Pradesh. Second, mortars and pestles have been found at Daujali Haring, that is in Assam. Now select the correct answer using the code given below. A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 and 2. So according to you, try to answer the question please. So the correct answer here is B 2 only. Only second statement is correct here. Let's see how. The evidence of tools made from fossil wood found at Daujali Haring. As I already showed you in the map, the Daujali Haring is here in the Assam region. You can see here nearby the Brahmaputra river, Brahmaputra valley. Okay, here you can see this one, Daujali Haring. Okay, so according to this, we can say that fossil wood was not found in the Hallur. It was found in the Daujali Haring. Now what is fossil wood? Then fossil wood is the Asian wood that has hardened into stones. उसको इतना पकाया जाता था, इतना अच्छी फॉर्म में लेकर आते थे कि उसको स्टोन जैसा हार्ड कर दिया जाता था, उसे हम फॉसिल वुड कहते थे. ठीक है. And if we talk about second statement, mortars and pestles, then in Daujali Haring, stone tools including mortars, pestles have been found. And this indicates that people were probably growing grain and preparing food from it. So this is the information according to which the second statement goes correct here, and the correct option is B, that is 2 only. And if we talk about the source, then the source of this question is page number 49 of class 6 NCERT as well. Moving towards next question. Jadit, a stone that may have been brought from China, is discovered from which of the following sites? Here it is asking you about jadit, a kind of stone which is discovered or brought from China. Jadit, a stone that may have been brought from China, is discovered from which of the sites? That is Payampally, Daujali Haring, Mehergarh or Gufkaran. As I already showed you in the previous videos that Payampally is the place. Here we can see I have map. Let's see. Payampally is the place in Andhra Pradesh. Here you can see. And if we talk about Mehergarh, it is the place in the Sindh region of Pakistan. And if we talk about Gufkaran, then it is the place in the Jammu and Kashmir region. And what is about last one? I think last one. Wait. Daujali Haring, that is in Assam. So if you know the answer, then try to answer the question. So the correct answer here is Daujali Haring, that is in Assam. B option is correct here. Okay, let's see how. Daujali Haring is a Neolithic site, as we as we are covering the questions of Neolithic site, that so this is the place, this is the site, that is Neolithic. On the hills near Brahmaputra Valley or Brahmaputra River, close to the routes leading to China and Myanmar. Okay, so according to this, we can say that jadeite stone that is brought from China, discovered from Daojili Harding, that is a Neolithic site. Okay, so if we talk about the source, then the source of this question is page number 50 of class 6 NCERT as well. Moving towards next question. Sorry. Name the place where cattle hoof marks were found on clay surface. Name the place where cattle hoof marks were found on clay surface. A. Mehergarh, B. Burzahom, C. Koldiva, D. Mahagarh. If we talk about Mehergarh, that is in Sindh region of Pakistan. Burzahom, that is in where? Central India. C. Koldiva, that is in UP. Mahagarh is also in UP. Let's see the answer here. D. Mahagarh. Mahagarh, that is in UP, in present day Uttar Pradesh. Cattle hoof marks have been found at Mahagarh. And this question has been framed out from page number 45. Okay. So this is the, as we can say, as it is उठाकर question बना दिया गया है. So this is very easy question. If you read NCERTs very well then. Moving towards next question, question number 8. Consider the following statements. Early man used to tame animals. Now these are the questions related, now last three these questions are related to the people of Neolithic age. What they did, what type of things they did, or many other things. These last three questions are about the pupil. Okay. First, early men used to tame animals by leaving food for them near their shelters. Second, people learned to cook food in Neolithic age. So select the answer according to the code given below. A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 and 2. Let's see the answer. C both 1 and 2. Both the statements are correct here. This is the information given here from which you can identify how the questions are correct. Let's see. Women, men and children could attract and then tame animals by leaving food for them near their shelters. And man, women and children probably observed several things: the places where edible plants were found, how seeds broke off stalks, fell on the ground, new plants sprouted from them. For example, various kinds of जॉब्स लाइक फार्मिंग, हर्डिंग, कैसे एनिमल्स को खाना रखकर अपने कह सकते हैं अपने घरों के बाहर खाना रखते थे, जो भी चिल्ड्रंस, मैन, वुमेन वहाँ पे थे, जिससे कि एनिमल्स वहाँ अट्रैक्ट हो, उनके शेल्टर्स के पास आ जाएं. और वो ये भी ऑब्जर्व करते थे कि जो भी एडिबल प्लांट्स है वो कहाँ कहाँ हैं, वो कैसे ग्रो करते हैं, सीड्स कैसे ब्रोक ऑफ होती हैं, कैसे जो फल है वो पक्के ग्राउंड पे गिरता है, एंड न्यू प्लांट्स कैसे स्प्राउट होते हैं सीड्स से. ओके, so this is the way how the people live and how the people became farmers. By seeing or observing these kind of conditions of the plants, they became farmers. Okay, and so we can say that the first statement is correct here. And if we talk about people learn to cook food in Neolithic age, then this is also correct, as they became farmers here, so they have the various kind of knowledge about food. In Neolithic age, people started to settle in particular place and they were no more dependent only on animal meat. They started to cook food, especially grains like rice, wheat, lentils. Lentils are dal, okay, that now became an important part of the diet. So according to this, we can say the second statement goes also correct here. So the correct option is answer number C. So the source of this question is page number 46 of class 6 NCERT as well. Moving towards last second question, consider the following statement. People in Neolithic age began weaving cloth. People used pots for storing and cooking foods. Now select the correct answer using the code given below. A 1 only, B 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 and 2. So the correct answer here is C. Both 1 and 2. Let's see how. Now listen to me very carefully. एक स्टोरी की फॉर्म में मैं आपको ये 3 क्वेश्चन समझाऊंगी, ठीक है। पहला ये कि जो नियोलिथिक टाइम पे जो भी पीपल थे, जो भी लोग थे, वो पहले तो मूव करते थे एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस एनिमल्स को फॉलो करते हुए। फिर एक टाइम ऐसा आया कि वो लोग जैसे कि पानी जहाँ पे भी रिवर है उसके साइड में, बैंक ऑफ दैट रिवर लाइक इंडस, गंगा, वहाँ पे रहना शुरू किया उन्होंने। अपने घरों के सामने क्या फूड को रखा जिससे कि एनिमल्स अट्रैक्ट हो, वहाँ तक आए, अट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे, उनको डोमेस्टिकेट किया। लाइक फर्स्ट डोमेस्टिकेशन उन्होंने वाइल्ड एंसेस्टर ऑफ डॉग उसका किया था। फिर उन्होंने शीप को, गोट, कैटल्स, पिग्स, उनको भी डोमेस्टिकेट करना शुरू किया, जिससे कि वो लोग क्या करते थे, डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स उन्हें मिलते थे। वो अपने जो भी एग्रीकल्चर कर रहे हैं, लाइक फार्मिंग कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें भी उनको वो एनिमल्स हेल्प करते थे, ठीक है। और उन एनिमल्स को वो लोग जब देखभाल करते थे तो उन्हें बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता चली, जैसे कि मीट के बारे में, उससे वो एक फूड भी बना सकते हैं, ठीक है। और इसी तरह से उन्होंने क्या किया, अपना फार्मिंग भी स्टार्ट की। कैसे फार्मिंग स्टार्ट की, जैसे कि अगर कोई सीड है तो वो कैसे स्प्राउट होती है, कैसे एक नया प्लांट बनता है, फिर उसमें कैसे फल आता है, वो पकता है तो नीचे गिरता है, ठीक है। तो ये सब चीज़ें उन्होंने बहुत क्लियरली ऑब्जर्व की, और इसी की वजह से उन्होंने धीरे धीरे खाने को, लाइक वी कैन से, फार्मिंग स्टार्ट की। और नियोलिथिक एज में जो पीपल थे वो फार्मर बन गए। और जैसे ही उन्होंने धीरे धीरे फार्मिंग में कई सारी चीज़ें ग्रो करना शुरू की, उसमें से एक थी कॉटन। जब उन्होंने कॉटन ये सब ग्रो करना शुरू किया तो उन्होंने डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मटेरियल्स कॉटन से बनाना शुरू किए, कपड़े बुनना शुरू किए, जिसे हमने वीविंग ऑफ क्लॉथ कहा। तो ये भी एक वहाँ की चीज़ थी, ठीक है, वहाँ उन्होंने जो सीखा नियोलिथिक एज में। एंड दूसरी चीज़, इसके साथ ही जब वो खाना फार्मिंग करना स्टार्ट किया तो उन्होंने ये भी देखा कि जो लेंटिल्स हैं, दालें हैं, सीरियल्स हैं, उनको वो कैसे पका के भी खा सकते हैं। तो उन्होंने राइस, वीट, मिलेट, इन सबको पकाना भी शुरू किया, और इससे उन्हें कुकिंग करना आया। और कुकिंग के लिए उन्हें कोई बर्तन की ज़रूरत है, तो उन्होंने पॉट, जो क्ले के पॉट होते हैं, मिट्टी को पकाकर पॉट बनाए, फिर उनको डिज़ाइन किया, तो उससे वो लोग उनको उसमें खाना स्टोर करने में भी हेल्प करते थे वो पॉट्स, और साथ ही साथ वो उनको खाना पकाने में भी हेल्प करते थे। तो हम यहाँ से कह सकते हैं that many kinds of earthen pots were sometimes decorated and were used for storing things, and people began using pots for cooking and storing food. So both the statements are correct here, and the answer is C here. And the source of this question is page number 47. And if we talk about last question, then one of the distinct feature of a village is that most people who live there are engaged in food production. I think this question is very easy now if you listen to the story carefully. Second, group of families of farmers and herders live together in small settlements of villages formed a tribe. जब वो एक जगह पे रहने लगे, अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टोरी, जब वो एक जगह पे रहने लगे तो छोटी छोटी ट्राइब्स बनाना उन्होंने शुरू किया, उससे छोटे छोटे विलेजेस का फॉर्मेशन हुआ, फिर सिटीज़ डेवलप्ड हो गई, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे ये सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट हो जाएगा। और हम ये भी कह सकते हैं, जब वो फार्मर्स बने, उन्होंने कुकिंग करना शुरू किया, तो फूड प्रोडक्शन तो वो कर ही रहे थे, तो वो मोस्टली फूड प्रोडक्शन में एंगेज हो गए। तो यहाँ से भी दोनों स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट हो जाएंगे और आंसर हो जाएगा सी। Many of these, this is the information here you can see, many of these farmers and herders lived in group called tribes. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, वो कुछ कस्टम्स, रिचुअल्स, प्रैक्टिसेस को भी फॉलो करने लगे। यूजुअली 2 और 3 जनरेशन तक वो लोग एक ही जगह पे रहने लगे, सेटल लाइफ, दैट इज़ एक विलेज बना लिया उन्होंने, ठीक है। एंड मेंबर्स ऑफ अ ट्राइब फॉलो ऑक्यूपेशंस, क्या क्या ऑक्यूपेशन फॉलो की, जैसे कि हंटिंग, गैदरिंग, फार्मिंग, हर्डिंग, फिशिंग, दैट आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू। एंड सम मैन आर रिगार्डेड एज लीडर्स, जैसे कि किसी गांव में पंचायत होती है, उसमें एक लीडर होता है, ऐसे वहाँ पे कुछ ट्राइब्स में या विलेजेस में लीडर्स को अपॉइंट किया जाता था। ओके, दे मे बी ओल्ड एंड एक्सपीरियंस, यंग ब्रेव वॉरियर्स, and old women are respected for their wisdom and experience. And tribes have rich and unique cultural tradition, including their own language. जो भी ट्राइब्स होती थी उनमें अलग अलग ट्राइब्स की ओन लैंग्वेज, म्यूज़िक होते थे, स्टोरीज़ अलग अलग होती थी, पेंटिंग्स अलग तरह की होती थी। जैसे आज हमारे होता है गुजरात में अलग कुछ फॉलो कर रहे हैं, राजस्थान में अलग कुछ फॉलो कर रहे हैं, तो ऐसे ही वहाँ पे भी कुछ ट्राइब्स थी जो अलग अलग कुछ फॉलो करते थे नियोलिथिक एज में। एंड वो अपने अपने अलग अलग कुछ भगवानों को भी मानते, जैसे दे ऑल्सो हैव देयर ओन गॉड्स एंड गॉडेसेस. So according to this the MCQ series is, we can say, ends here, and the Neolithic age chapter is closed now, and this the last question source is page number 48 here. So thank you very much. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and hit the bell icon too, which will notify you earlier. Thank you very much. Bye bye.